Here's how to fix your microphone not working in OBS in under 3 minutes. So you're trying to record just like I'm doing now. You play back and you have no sound. It happens. The first thing you want to do is check the audio mixer down here in the bottom. Is it moving? If it's not moving, select mic and look at device and see if your mic is listed here. If not, just go to the drop down, select your mic, and that may fix your problem. But if not, go to settings, go to audio, go down to your mic and see if your mic is listed here. If not, again, go to the drop down and select your mic. You should be good at this point, but if not, there may be an issue with the way the mic is set up on your operating system. So in Windows, just go to the control panel, go to hardware and sound, go to sound, and then go to recording. Make sure your mic is set as the default. If not, select it, go down to the bottom and set as default. Make sure you have movement in the mixer. Now this should fix your problem in OBS, but if not, you may have a mic problem. So check your connections, try a different mic as a test. You want to make sure your main mic is functional. And as a last resort, you may have to get a different mic, reinstall OBS, or both. If you want more videos that help you answer real questions without burning up your time, just come back to see us. And if you have topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments and we'll get to them as soon as we can.